Welcome to Stock Coney. Friends, before moving to today's update, please like and subscribe the channel. It motivates us to bring important stock market updates for you every day. Friends, big news from the markets. The top 10 companies in India are offering the highest dividend yields in financial year 2025. That means these stocks can give you annual cash returns on your investment, sometimes even higher than fixed deposits. Let's take a look at which stocks are on the list. What is dividend yield? Let's understand with a simple calculation. Imagine you buy a company's share at 1000 rupees. That company announces it will pay a dividend of 103 rupees per share in 1 year. Dividend yield equals annual dividend divided by share price times 100. Equals 103 rupees divided by 1000 rupees times 100. Equals 10.3%. This means if you invest 1000 rupees in that stock, the company will give you 103 rupees back every year as dividend. So dividend yield tells you how much cash return you get on your investment, apart from any rise or fall in the share price. Top 10 dividend yield stocks, financial year 2025. 1. Premco Global. Dividend yield 10.3%, payout ratio 156%. Last year it was only 2 to 3%, this year a massive jump. 2. Vedanta. Dividend yield 9.3%, payout ratio 113%. Known as the dividend king, always gives high payouts. 3. MSTC Limited. Dividend yield 8.5%, payout ratio 70%. In the past 2 years it was around 3%, now strong returns. 4. Jagran Prakashan. Dividend yield 8.3%, payout ratio 99.7%. Almost the entire profit was distributed to shareholders. 5. PTC India. Dividend yield 7%, payout ratio 38%. Stable and sustainable dividend. 6. Coal India. Dividend yield 6.8%, payout ratio 46%. Always considered a reliable dividend stock. 7. Castrol India. Dividend yield 6.5%, payout ratio 138%. Very high payout ratio, attractive for investors. 8. Gujarat Intrux. Dividend yield 6.1%, payout ratio 81%. In earlier years it was just 2 to 4%, now a sharp rise. 9. Hindustan Zinc. Dividend yield 6%, payout ratio 118%. In financial year 2023, it delivered the highest yield of 15.6%. 10. Bonus mention. A few other PSUs and large-cap companies have also consistently paid high dividends. Quick take. Bank FD rates are around 6 to 7%, and these stocks are giving equal or even higher dividend yields. But friends, don't invest just by looking at dividends alone. It's important to check the company's profit trend, payout sustainability, and stock price stability as well. So friends, these were the top 10 dividend-yielding stocks of financial year 2025 that can provide you with strong and stable passive income. If you liked this update, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Stock Coney.